What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be talking about how you guys can start preparing for the Chinese New Year. So this part of the year is actually pretty hectic, especially for new dropshippers, mainly because they really don't know what to do, and some of them even lose a lot of hope and motivation to even start because of the delays. But I'm actually going to provide you guys with some solutions that are going to make your customers happy and make it to where you don't really have to worry that much. So the Chinese New Year actually starts January 22nd on a Sunday, and it lasts about 2 weeks until February 5th. Between this time span, suppliers are going to be completely out of office and there's going to be no manufacturing of products. This means any orders after January 22nd will not be processed and shipped out until maybe 1 to 2 days after February 5th. And so I'm going to tell you guys exactly what you need to do. Be sure to subscribe down below and let's get right into the video. And first off, what we're not going to do, and I know a lot of you guys probably want to do this, is still continue to use AliExpress because this is going to be the worst time to start using it. All the suppliers on AliExpress are Chinese suppliers and also get their products manufactured within China. So this means on top of the 30 to 60 day delays, you're going to have to wait another 2 weeks. So we're not going to be using them. And this is why it's absolutely crucial for you guys to be using AliExpress alternatives, especially during this holiday. And I'm actually going to tell you guys the best ones that you guys can be using here in a second. You guys just need to make sure that you send out customer update emails about their order. So any customer that places an order after January 22nd, make sure you create an email flow telling them exactly what's going on. So you want to come up with an email template that's going to really just apologize for any type of delays for the package. So what I did, I went on ChatGPT, which is an AI tool that can generate any type of email, copywriting for your entire Shopify store. And what I said was create a customer email about their order being delayed due to high order volume, apologize for the delay, and also offer a 50% off discount code for their next order. And then also thank them for their patience. So as you guys can see, very quickly, it came up with a customer template email that we can use. Dear valued customer, we are writing to inform you that your recent order with us has been delayed due to an unexpected high volume of orders. We apologize for any inconvenience this delay may cause, and we assure you that we're doing everything we can to get your order to you as fast as possible. And it even gave me a discount code that I could be using on my Shopify store. And all you guys need to do is go on your Shopify store and make sure that you have the Klaviyo email marketing app downloaded. It's a completely free Shopify app. This way you guys can send out all these emails on automation. And then once you guys are in Klaviyo, you want to go ahead and create a customer thank you flow. Then you want to make sure that you have a trigger at the top when someone places an order. And then you want to wait about an hour and then send them this order confirmation email. Then all you guys have to do is paste that email here. So we're going to go ahead and copy this here, and then we're going to paste it right in this email. So this is the subject line, so we can get rid of that. So there we go. And that's basically it, you guys. And then at the bottom right here, you can also add some sort of button just to make them want to go to your Shopify store potentially if they wanted to buy another product. And then you can put your store link here. And then you also want to go back to your Shopify store. And so they gave you a discount code that you can actually use. So you want to go ahead and take that. Copy that, then you want to go to your Shopify store, go to discounts, and then create a discount amount off products, discount code patience50, and then you want to make sure this is 50%. And then you can also choose between, specific products you want to have it on. Obviously, like for this store, we have the Galaxy projector, and then limit to 1 use per customer. And that's it. That's all you guys have to do for that email. And then you can also put your store name here, obviously. And then once you guys do that, you want to go ahead and save and return. This way, every single time a customer places an order, along with their order confirmation that they will also get from Shopify, they will also get this update email as well about an hour later, just letting them know about the delay and what to expect next. And you can also mention that the delay is going to be around 1 to 2 weeks. And I assure you that most customers will not mind because you're being honest right out the gate and not leaving them in the water, making them wonder where their package is 2 weeks later. Another thing that you guys want to do as well in your Shopify store is go to online store. Then either on the header right here or the announcement bar, you want to talk about a delay. So you can say like small 1 week delay due to high demand. And then you can also have this on your guys' product page. So if you go here and then down to products, you guys can actually put this at the top, and then so that way not only is a customer going to be notified after they order the product, but also beforehand. This way they know exactly what to expect. And most of the time, like customers, if they really want a product, even if you guys have a slight delay, they're actually going to be really appreciative of you notifying them in the beginning, and it shouldn't bother them that much to just buy your product. Now, another thing you guys can do as well is look for USA suppliers. So a supplier that is located within the United States. And some of the AliExpress alternatives that I do recommend that you guys use for even finding USA suppliers is Zendrop and CJ Dropshipping. Now, the selection is going to be very limited, mainly because they're not going to be sourcing a ton of different products from the USA just because it's so expensive. So let's say we wanted to sell the back cracker. As you guys can see here, I could not find that product. Another thing you can do is also go on CJ Dropshipping and sort by the US warehouse, and they do seem to have a wider variety of products compared to Zendrop for US suppliers. This way you guys can get decent shipping times, and on top of this, the products are going to be a lot higher priced compared to Chinese suppliers as well, so your profit margins are not going to be that high. But if you're actually lucky to find your product on here, good for you. You're going to be able to get really good shipping times compared to a lot of other dropshippers at the moment. Now, some of you guys watching right now may have a product that is a super big winning product and you're getting a ton of orders and you don't want to be missing out on a whole bunch of sales and getting a bunch of delays. So what I do recommend that you guys do, and this is only if you've been selling a product consistently and it's been doing well for you, is getting inventory. There are platforms like USA Drop and Source Inbox that'll actually allow you to buy in bulk. This way you guys can get your products into a warehouse and have regular shipping times. And on top of this, when you order in bulk, you're going to get a lot better discounts for product, mainly because you're putting all this money up front. So if you guys want to save more money right now, you can just do the regular dropshipping method and look for USA suppliers, or just continue to use AliExpress alternatives and just send out update emails to your customers. Other than that, you guys, hopefully you get a lot better understanding of the different options that you guys have during the Chinese New Year. And just know that you can still start dropshipping during this time period. You just have to make sure that your customers are up to date with everything that's going on with the delivery time. So if you guys like videos like these, be sure to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.